Hi everyone, welcome to your meditation. Today we're going to walk through the first 4 exercises of Thich Nhat Hanh's mindful breathing. There are 16 steps in total that come from his classic teachings of the Sutra of Full Awareness of Breathing. These first 4 steps are rooted in the body. We first become aware of the breath, and then follow the breath, expanding our awareness into the body, and then comforting and calming the body. Each step is meant to take us deeper into our inner peace, inner light, and stillness. So let's begin. Coming into a comfortable seat, allow your eyes to close and body to soften. This practice was given by the Buddha over 2,600 years ago. By sitting in meditation, we can allow for more space in our body and our mind, allowing us freedom and freedom of choice. The choice to think a better thought, to create a better action, to live a better life. As you breathe in, silently repeat, I know I am breathing in. As you breathe out, silently repeat, I know I am breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Allow the breath to naturally flow. No need to change or fix anything. Just simply be with your breath. Now, feeling supported with your breath, we start to follow and trace the breath as it enters in through the nose and flows down into the chest and fills the belly. And then softly and steadily releases back out through the nose. Be with the breath from the beginning all the way to the end. Like the tide rolling in and rolling out. Breathing in, I follow my breath all the way in. Breathing out, I follow my breath all the way out. Allow the awareness to expand beyond the breath, into your whole body, sitting here, fully present and alive. Sensing your body as you are one unified breathing unit. Breathing in, I am aware of my whole body. Breathing out, I am aware of my whole body. With each inhale, feel your body awaken. With each exhale, feel your body soften. And from this place, we invite ease and calm into our body, calming every body part, calming every body cell. Releasing any tension in the jaw, in the shoulders, in the belly. Allow the exhale to wash over you like a gentle wave. Breathing in, I calm my body. Breathing out, I calm my body. The breath is your friend, your medicine, your anchor. Breathing in, calm. Breathing out, releasing. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. You have just practiced the art of the awareness of breath. Allow yourself a few more moments of stillness in gratitude for all those that have practiced before you, and for the Buddha for sharing this loving, gentle practice. As we close this meditation, carry this sense of peace, calmness, and steadiness into your day. This sense of self is always within you, always waiting to be felt underneath the distractions and busyness of it all. Remember, you can always come back home. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, inviting movement back into your body. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me for this meditation. We'll continue on to complete all 16 steps. I look forward to share more with you. Peace and love.